Hello, wonderful people. I welcome you to this very special and interesting video. Prop firm forex trading. Or we want to learn about prop firms. We're going to be diving so deep that we're going to expose everything about prop firm trading. So the first thing here we're going to learn is what is prop firm. A prop firm is a proprietary trading firm. It's a financial institution or company that uses its own capital for trading financial instruments. Now, this is the definition. This prop firm, what they do is to employ skilled traders who has been tested and trusted. Those traders with a specific strategy. So they employ them to trade the market for them. And at the end of the day, the profit generated from such trade is shared typically between the trader and the prop firm. The most important term in prop firm trading is the drawdown, because that is what is going to make you be in the game or going to kick you out. The first one is balance based, while the second one is equity based. The balance based is when the daily drawdown is calculated based on your balance. Balance is closed trades. When you open your trading software, the money you have in your account is referred to the balance when there is no active trade going on. Whatever amount you have in your account is known as the balance. Now the second one is equity based. This is when the drawdown is calculated based on your floating open running trades. The steps to trade is this. When you create an account, you fund an account. The moment that fund gets into your trading app, that fund becomes a balance. Then equity is when you are currently in a running trade. If you're in profit or in a loss, the floating amount and the balance becomes your equity. So what is a proprietary capital? This is the fund that has been deployed for proprietary trading by a financial institution or company. It represents the firm's own capital. Sometimes a firm can deploy $10 million. So this money is referred to as the proprietary capital. This is money available for individual traders to trade with. Proprietary trading challenge. The challenge is a program offered by firms or brokers or institutions where traders aim to meet specific trading objectives to qualify for a trading account funded by the company, otherwise termed as the prop firm. So the prop firm here can also be called the company. Let me talk more about this challenge. Let's take a look at Marvin. If you are going for a $10,000 account and you want to take just one step, because in challenges you can take one step whereby you will be tried just once, or you can make it 2 steps. It means you're going to take step 1. When you pass step 1, then you head over and take step 2. But whichever step you decide to take, you are expected to make 8% of $10,000 here, and that 8% is $800. This is what you're expected to make before you can move to the second step, which is step 2. And on step 2, you're expected to make 5% of $10,000, and that 5% is $500. That is for Mervin. Let's go to Funded Trading Plus. This is a 1-step, and this is 2-step challenge. So on this 2-step challenge and on a 100,000 account, or let's start with a small account, on a $25,000 account, you're expected to make 8%, and that 8% is $2,000 on phase 1. Then on phase 2, you're expected to make 5%, which is $1,250. So that is what this challenge is all about. You make a certain percentage of the account you are given, and when you're able to make that, then without breaking any rules, then you have passed that challenge. Let's look at funded trader. Who is a funded trader? That is a trader who has met the criteria of a proprietary trading challenge and is provided with capital to trade. So when you pass first challenge and you pass the second challenge, then you will now be provided with a fund to start trading for the prop firm. Before you can join into this prop firm trading, you need to pay a fee, and that fee is the registration fee. So the registration fee is the fee traders must pay to participate in the challenge. This participation fee usually varies based on the desired funded account size, with larger fund incurring higher fees. These fees are typically reimbursed or offset by the profit earned during the final live trading stage. Let's look at this $25,000 account. Registration fee is $247, and if you want to go for $50,000, this is the registration fee. If it's 100, this is it, and 200, this is it. So this is money you have to pay in order to take this challenge. When you pass this challenge, phase 1, you will go to phase 2 and up like that. Then for Marvin, you're expected to pay $38 for a $10,000 account. This is your registration fee, and it can be refunded if you pass the challenge. So what is a demo account? It's a virtual environment allowing traders to practice without using real money. So it's a virtual money. It provides access to live market data and tools for skill development and strategy testing. So some prop firm will allow you to trade on their demo account so that you can practice your trading skills. So what is a live account? A live account is a trading account involving actual capital and real financial risk. It allows traders to participate actively in the live forex market. If you pass the challenge, then you'll be funded with a live account whereby you begin to trade, and at the end of a specific period, which could be 2 weeks or 1 month, you are eligible to withdraw your profits. And when you withdraw that profit, you're going to split the profit between you and the prop firm. The prop firm can decide to take 50% while you keep 50%, or some will take 20% while you keep 80%, and some will decide to give you the 100%. So it depends on the prop firm you are working with. Now, what is the evaluation phase? It's the first stage of a prop trading challenge where traders trade with virtual capital on demo account to meet set criteria. The evaluation phase may consist of multiple stages based on the discretion of the prop firm. Now we have what we call verification phase. This is the final stage of a prop trading challenge where traders demonstrate their ability to replicate their performance in a live or demo trading environment. Based on the discretion of the prop firm, traders who successfully pass the verification phase will move on to trading a live account funded by the prop firm. Now let's look at trading rules. These are guidelines and conditions established by the prop firm that traders must follow during the challenge. This is to ensure consistency in performance and allow for proper evaluation before getting access to prop capital. As you trade for the prop firm, you need to obey some rules. Some prop firms will give you a rule such as don't open more than 5 trades at a time. Some will say don't use more than 10 standard lots at a time. So these rules, some of them are displayed for you to see, while some of them are hidden. You don't get to see them until you break the rule. Then the moment you break the rule, the prop firm is going to email you, telling you that you have broken the rule. But initially, the rule was not anywhere for you to see. In prop trading, there are so many things involved because some are designed to make you fail, while some are designed to make you progress or prosper. So at the end of this series, I'm going to be showing you the prop firms you should work with and those you shouldn't work with. And I'm going to give you the reasons why you should do so. The next one is the trading period, a specified time frame within which traders must achieve the profit target and adhere to challenge rules to complete the challenge phase. Before now, prop firms usually give traders 2 months, 1 month, 3 months to meet the profit target of maybe 10% or 8%. But recently, we have seen that rule is beginning to reduce. Some prop firms will not give you the time to complete the challenge. They will leave it open, meaning if it takes you 1 year to meet the profit target, you will head over to the next stage, which is good because in the world of Forex, no need to put someone under time check. So that is that about that. Now the next one on the list is trading days. This is the minimum number of days that traders are required to open new trades within the trading period. This rule aims to promote a consistent trading strategy, discouraging attempts to achieve profit targets solely through a single, exceptionally profitable trade that may have a low likelihood of reoccurrence. Okay, to break this thing down, prop firms don't want luck. That is why they make you place so many trades several days to make sure you know what you are doing. For example, if a prop firm says the number of trading days is 5, let's use 1 week for example. There are 5 trading days in a week. It means you must open a trade after every 24 hours. For example, on Monday, if you place 5 trades on Monday, then it means you still have 4 more days to go. If on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you place a trade each, it still means you have 2 more days to go. If on Monday and Tuesday you place a total of 30 trades, it only counts as 2 trading days. So what it means that after every 24 hours you place a trade, it's going to count as 1 day. Now this is another rule that is being removed from the industry, and that is because you can catch a good move and the move will give you 8% that you need to move to the next stage. We have seen people pass stage 1 and stage 2 in 24 hours. So it's good to reduce some of these rules because it doesn't go well with the traders. That'll be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.